ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, part 5. Last part completed important 4 mark problems by using first principle of derivative, sine and ax square plus bx plus c problems completed. Today class discuss some more problems by using first principle. Today first problem is f of x is equal to cos ax. If any problem you can do that by using first principle. First you can write formula. You can write formula. That formula having 1 mark. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. This is the formula of f dash x. This formula you can write equation 1. Here you know that f of x value is cos ax. F of x value is what here? Cos ax. That's why you can write f of x plus h. F of x plus h. F of x plus h value is what here? F of x plus h. In place of x you can write x plus h. A into x plus h. Understood or not? F of x is equal to cos ax. In place of x, you can write x plus h. You get f of x plus h. That f of x plus h is equal to cos of ax plus ah. Cos of a into ax plus a into h. These values are substituted in equation 1. 1 implies your dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h value cos of ax plus ah. This is f of x plus h value minus f of x value is cos ax whole by h. Whole by h. Cos c minus cos d form is there. Which form is there? Cos c minus cos d. What is the formula of cos c minus cos d? Cos c minus cos d formula is there. Minus 2 sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. This formula coming to the trigonometry up to transformation mathematics 1a. Already explained that formula. Cos c minus cos d formula is what? Minus 2 sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. In this formula, you can write f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 cos c. What is the value of c? C value is ax plus h. D value is ax. That is minus 2 sine of c plus d. Nothing but ax plus ah plus d value is ax whole by 2 into sine of ax plus ah minus b nothing but minus ax by 2. Understood or not? Whole by h. Understood or not, students? Understood or not? Once again explained. Minus 2 sine c value is ax plus ah plus d value is ax by 2 sine c value is ax plus ah minus d value is ax by 2 whole by 2. Here ax minus x get cancelled. Then f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 into sine of you can write ax plus ax 2ax. 2ax plus ah by 2. 2ax plus ah by 2 into sine of ax by 2 into sine of ah by 2. This whole remaining ah by 2 whole by h. Here minus 2 will come. Remaining one f dash is equal minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 sine of 2ax plus ah by 2 is 1 term. Sine of 2ax plus ah by 2 is the 1 term. What is the second term? Sine of ah by 2 by h is the second term. These two terms you can write separated limit. These two terms you can write separated limit. You get what? Minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 sine of 2ax plus 2ax plus ah by 2 2ax plus ah by 2 into sine of a by 2. Limit, we can write limit h tends to 0 sine of You can write a by 2 into h over by h. Understood or not? One side expressions. Here minus 2 get common. You can write first function separated limit. Second function also you can write separated limit. In this limit, here h by 2 is there. You can separate a by 2 into h. After that, you know that this formula states limit h tends to 0 sin ax by x. In this form, you can write a. Here x is there, here x is there, x is there. In place of a, you can write that is the answer. Similarly, here minus 2 into. You can apply limit here. You can apply limit here. Sin of 2ax plus a into 0 by 2. Here limit is h tends to 0. That's what you can write h value is 0. Into here see students, h is there, h is there, h is there. In place of a is what here? In place of a is what here? A by 2. That's why you can write a by 2. Here 2 get cancel. Remaining minus a into sin of 2ax plus 0 by 2. A into 0, you get 0. Minus a into sin of 2ax by 2. You get 2 get cancelled. Remaining f dash x is equal to minus a into sin ax. F dash x is what here? Minus a into sin ax. Therefore, derivative of f of x is equal to cos ax. What is the derivative of f of x is equal to cos ax? Minus a sin ax. This is also an important repeated problem in IB examination. This is a proof. Next problem is f of x is equal to cos square x. What is the next problem? F of x is equal to cos square x. See students, first we can write formula f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can write f of x value is cos square x. F of x value is what here? Cos square x. F of x plus h value is cos square of x plus h. F of x value is cos square x. F of x plus h value is cos square of x plus h. These two values are substituted in equation 1. These two values are substituted in equation 1. 1 implies f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. What is the value of f of x plus h? F of x plus h value is cos square of x plus h. F of x plus h value is cos square of x plus h minus f of x value is cos square x all by h. See students, understood or not this term? This is very important point. What is that point? This is the first principle formula. In this formula, f of x value is cos square x. F of x plus h value is cos square of x plus h. Here you can write f of x plus h value is cos square of x plus h minus f of x value is cos square x whole by h. This is in the form of cos square b minus cos square a. Which form? Cos square b minus cos square a. What is that formula? Cos square b minus cos square a. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. What is that formula? Cos square b minus cos square a. Cos square b minus cos square a formula is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. This formula is mathematics 1 by trigonometry chapter. In that formula, you can write f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin of a value is x plus b value is x plus h into sin of a value is x minus b value is minus of x plus h all by h. Understood or not students? Understood or not students? First of all, check once again. Here cos square b minus cos square a value is sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b. A value is x, B value is x plus x. Sin of A plus B, sin of A minus B. After that, you can write separately. You get what? F dash x is equal to limit x tends to 0. Sin of x plus x, how much? Sin of x plus x, 2x plus h into sin of x minus into plus minus h. X minus h all by h. Here minus x plus x get cancel. Remain what? Remaining limit h tends to 0. Sin of 2x plus h into sin of minus h all by h. Sin of minus h all by h. Here sin of minus theta formula is there. What is the formula of sin of minus theta? Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. You can write that formula. Limit h tends to 0. Sin of 2x plus h into minus sin theta. Sin of minus theta value is minus sin theta. Theta value is what is h all by h. After that you can separate it. You can write this minus here. Limit h tends to 0. Sin of 2x plus h into sin h by h. Here sin of 2x plus h is the one term. Minus goes to forward minus sin h by h is the other term. After that you can write separated minus limit h tends to 0. Sin of 2x plus h into limit h tends to 0. Sin h by h. You can write separate limit. Sin of limit h tends to 0. Sin of 2x plus h one limit. Limit h tends to 0. Sin h by h is the another limit. Here we know that this formula. Limit h tends to 0. Sin x by x value is 1. Sin x by x value is 1. Write down that limit. You can this limit is 1. After that minus sin of you can write 2x plus h value is 0. 2x plus h value is 0 into this total value equal to 1. You get minus sin 2x. This is f dash x. What is the derivative of? What is the derivative of cos square x? Cos square x derivative of cos square x is minus sin 2x. Derivative of cos square x is minus sin 2x. This is very important. This today class are very important and very useful in IB examination. So today assignment problem or homework problem is, what is the problem? F of x equal to cos x. Already previous problem completed. F of x equal to cos ax. Here a value is 1. Similarly that problem you can write in place of a is what? You get total answer is similar way. Here first you can write first principle formula. F of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. This one is the formula. In this formula you can write f of x is equal to cos x. F of x is equal to cos x. F of x plus h is equal to cos of x. Nothing but you can write x plus h. These two values are substituted in the equation 1. So you get what? 1 implies f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h value is cos of x plus h minus f of x value is cos x all by h. After that you can do that cos c minus cos d formula. Minus 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus c by 2. C value is x plus h. Here d value is x substituted. This problem you can do that similar of cos ax derivative. Cos ax in that problem you can write in place of a 1 you get total answer. This answer is f dash x value is minus sin x. Which was minus sin x. In the what is the derivative of cos x? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. You get minus sin x is the answer. This today class is very useful for marks in IB examination.